Looking forward to being back, shooting some more content, doing some shadow boxing, and just holy fucking look at that! Oh my! Don't mess with the DOS man. Welcome back to the channel. We're back after heading back to the Gold Coast to take care of my girls. My girls are doing much better. We have brought up a special guest. The DOS.
I'm being summoned.
You're being summoned.
I've arrived.
He's arrived.
Here I am.
Old Dossie's come up from the Gold Coast with myself to get stuck in on some building works. We've already had a little hack at the weatherboards. We actually already did an introduction, but I shot the video in slow motion, so this is take 2. But it happens, you know. Life of a content creator. Anything you'd like to add, DOS man? That's a zoom in moment. There's going to be a lot of that. We're going to carry on with the weatherboards, and we'll be getting into, hopefully the plumber shows up today. He's going to be running some plumbing as we were showing last week. He'll be getting all the services connected in, and then we are all going well by the end of the week. If we can get Kevy, our electrician, back, he'll be able to connect us up, and we should have hot water and power. So let's go. Just digging the this is Mick digging the trench. We're going to run that along this blue line here. This is where the our waste is going to go into the ground and connect into the septic tank below the ground. And we're going to be running our 300mm trench. This square marks the area where the water pump's going to go. We're going to be running, this will be where this is going to dig a trench here to run all of the downpipes will connect into one line underneath the house. That line's going to come down below the house and onto this trench and feed into these points here. There's a reason they call him the Nos. Old Dossie, or I call him Nossie, because he's fucking fast.
They call me the rocket launcher.
The rocket launcher, look at this.
Well, I was launching, but this one's going a bit slow, to be honest. Oh. We'll get it. It just takes a little finagling.
A little bit of fiddling?
It's a little finicky, and it takes a little finagling.
Finagling, that's a new one.
That's a good one. Add it to the arsenal, mate.
So old DOS man's just been doing the threaded rod through the columns into the bearer as per the engineering upgrades. He's gone around into all these internal columns that haven't been done. It's drilled up. You can see the threaded rod comes through, washer on top. And that's only needed on one side as there's a coach screw on the other. And he's fucking the DOS man.
I'm here.
He's here for it.
Mission.
He's on a mission.
Each and every day.
Each and every day, here to slay on the mission. So, a few more to go. And that's the tie downs done for the columns to the bearer. As we know, last week we were working on tying the studs to the bearer along this part. First thing we did when we got back is we put on the weatherboards. Same here. These are the stud to bearer tie downs, and now that those are finished, we can put the weatherboards back on here, get us closed in again. Dad and Dion are on their way up, and we are actually planning on all falling back and possibly having all 4 of us attacking the painting, getting it all scraped off, continuing with the this cleaning off all the flaky paint, all this stuff, so that we can get it back to just timber, and it can be primed and painted. And the reason we want to do that now is so that then we can have our downpipes and our fascias put on, because in the coming weeks we have our roof going on, and so then once we have it painted, we can run our downpipes on. We're not having to paint around the downpipes. So just a bit of a pro tip for you if you are doing one of these houses and you do the painting first, which you would do anyway. So, but I'm going to give you that tip. You look so dazzling in that light, DOS man.
It's like Twilight. Call me freaking Edward. Shimmering in the sun.
So you'll run a siphon system into this trench, which will be connected into one line going through the house here. That line will then be the connection point for all the downpipes, which will come down the house, back underneath, and through connect into here. So all the stormwater, which will be coming into one line, it'll drop down before it goes outside of the house envelope into this trench, and then it'll come up and then up the tank. Same here, up this tank and back into the water tanks. There'll also then be a line that will feed the pump, concrete pump, which will be installed here, and then the hot water system. This is the trench that's being dug for the septic system, so all of the poo water, toilet water will come out here, be connected in through to here, and then that will then get commissioned from the installers of the septic tank, and we should have services by next week. Hey! Just so when we cover it, the engineer's got proof that it's done.
Ah! Hold on.
What?
So, is it always... Oh, there's a screen on both sides.
Yeah, dual screen.
Oh, dude, that was tripping me out. Hello, Curtis.
G'day, mate.
How'd you go today?
We went well.
What are you watching?
You. What are we watching? We are watching.
What were we watching?
We were watching ourselves.
Because
the latest edit is out.
And I've got something
The latest edit
to show you.
Edited so well from Yazzie. You are amazing. Today
See, I've got all these doors.
Today went well.
Them up from a renovation.
we got the old DOS man worked hard on the tie downs.
That was me.
That was him, and he fucking nosed it. He was through it. I was doing a lot of talking, as I do, organising trades. So that's a wrap for tonight. It's getting dark. DOS man and I are fucking hungry.
What are we going to eat?
We're heading out for steak night. Steak night with the boys. Steak night with the boys. Steak night with the boys. Boys, boys. Hey.
What should people do if they see this channel? What does it say here?
It says,
What does it say?
solo demo my Queenslander.
No, this bit
Oh,
here.
build with Tony and Curtis.
What's the channel called?
Build with Tony and Curtis. And if you're loving the content, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to get the latest updates. And we are out.